the next command, that is lengthen. Very useful command, and it can be used in lots of ways. See, go to lengthen. Let me erase this. First, draw a line, horizontal line. For that, switch on the ortho and let the length be 100. Okay. So this is a horizontal line of 100 length. Go to lengthen. LEN is the shortcut key. See, LEN is the shortcut key. LENGTHEN. So that's the lengthen. Okay. Yes. Now we have 4 options here. You can see delta, percent, total, dynamic. First, let us go to delta. Enter delta length. And one more option is there, angle. Angle is used for arc. You can increase the length of the arc, or you can say you can increase the included angle or decrease the included angle using the lengthen. Okay, so enter delta length. Okay, delta length. Let me give delta length as 30. Enter. Okay, so select the object. So this is the object. So you can see this was 100. I have given delta as 30. So if I select here, now this line's length will become 130. Do you want to see that? Let us see. Go to parametric, linear. See, 130. Initially the length of the line was 100, but I gave delta as 30 and I selected it, so it becomes 130. So it's very simple. Go to lengthen again, LEN. So delta is nothing but if you want to increase the length, so how much amount you want to increase, that you have to give. Let me give negative 30, minus 30, enter. See, once I give minus 30, you can see that the length of the line is getting smaller. By how much amount? Minus 30. Okay, minus 30. Okay, now 130 length has become 100. Yes, so like this it will work. So let's move on to the next. Now again this length is 100. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, one more thing. Suppose let us take 30. Okay, now if I select here in this portion, so the line will be added here. If I select here, so it will be added in this side. It's as simple as that. Okay. Now go to command again, lengthen, then percent. Okay, percentage length. Suppose I want to increase the length of this particular line, so I will give more than 100%. Suppose I give 150. This length of the line will increase by how much amount? 100 is the length into 1.5, means 1.5 times the length will get increased. Select it. See, it will increase. If I do undo, okay, come out of it, lengthen, percentage. If I give less than 100, that is 50 value, let us give 50 value. Less than 100 means 50% of the line will be remaining. So total length is 100. So 50% of 100 is 50. So 50% will be remaining here. It's as simple as that. Yes. So go to lengthen again, total. Total is again very simple. You have to specify the total length. Okay, let me give total length as 300. Enter. Okay, so this line length will become 300. Total length will be 300. Okay, if you select it again, nothing will happen. Okay, so the total length is 300. Okay. Yes. Now last option, LEN, enter. Dynamic, it's very simple. Select this and by how much amount you want to increase or decrease the length. Dynamic. Suppose I want to decrease the length. So select here again. Left click here. Okay. Select the object like that. If you want to increase, you can increase it. If you want to decrease, you can decrease it. Select it and move the mouse. Select it and move the mouse like that. Okay. Undo. So this is how Lengthen works on the lines. So now let me draw some series of lines. Okay. Let me join them. J, enter. Select all, enter. Now this lines become polyline. Okay. Now try to use Lengthen. Let us see whether it will work or not. Go to delta. Okay. Delta is 30. Okay. Enter. See. You can see here. This is getting extended from this part. Okay. Yes. So it will work on the polylines as well. Exactly. Now let us use for arc. Let me draw an arc. This is a line of 100 mm. Let me draw an arc using start center angle. So start, this is the center, and let me give angle as, let us give 45. 45. Okay, included angle is 45. So this is an arc of radius 100 and angle, included angle is 45. Now go to Lengthen, LEN. Go to delta. Okay, go to angle here. Okay, delta angle, let me give it as 30. Now choose the object. See, if I choose here, it will be added here. How much it is getting added? By keeping in mind the delta angle. The delta angle was 30. So if the delta angle is 30, you know, so the arc will get added up by 30 included angle. I hope you got my point. Means you can check as well. You can check as well. See, from here to here, this angle will be 30. Go to parametric and check. See, it's 30. As simple as that. Okay, so rest of the things are same as well for line for arc as well. Okay, percentage length. Suppose I give it as 80. Enter. If you select it, so only out of 100%, only 80% is remaining. See, got my point? Let me give undo. See, go to Lengthen, percentage. If I give more than 100, that is 130, select it, the arc length will increase. How much? By 30% it will increase. Means if the present length is 100 of that circumference of the arc, then it will become 130 length. Okay, because 1.3 times, that is 130% it is getting increased. Go to undo again. Okay, now again Lengthen, total, it is already known to us. Angle, okay, let the total angle be 120 degree. So if you select this, the total included angle will be 120 degree. Okay, if you measure the included angle of this arc, it will be 120 because the total included angle, I have mentioned it as 120. Go to Lengthen, last is dynamic. So it's again very simple. Select it, and move it where by how much amount you want to increase or decrease, like that. So that's all about lengthen in the lines, polylines, and in the arc. I hope you got my point. Let's talk about one more option, that is ray, R-A-Y, ray. Very simple. Ray, it is not that much use, but still I will say ray, start point, then end point. Start point I have already mentioned, so it will always take from there. You have to just mention the endpoints like this. Actually, it is nothing but start point is we have some start, but there is no end. Actually, these are the lines of infinite length where start is there, but there is no end. Okay, go to ray again. Let me take this as my start point and end point. So like this, you can give. So these are the lines of where start point is there, but there is no end point. These are the lines of infinite length. Select all and delete. I hope you got this options.